made one.
Hello, my name is Claire, and we're gonna do something really fun today. We're gonna make a tornado in a jar. All you need is 4 things. Any kind of dish soap, any kind of hand soap, any kind of vinegar, some water, and any kind of jar, and a lid for the jar. First, you add some water. Then you get some soap, just a little bit of that soap. Just dump it over and then just a little bit. Then you have some vinegar here, and you just a little bit of vinegar. And then you put on the lid as tight as you can. You flip it over and then you shake it, and there you have a tornado. A tornado is a violently rotating column of air. Look, it looks like a funnel. There you have it, a tornado in a jar. I'm Claire. See you next time. Bye.